Pretty good. Oh, they're not going to be as fun on the carpet. They won't make noise. Come back this way, Sugar. Oh, and she's down for the count. Yay! Oh, she's setting. Well, you gotta get the other one. Hold on. You got it? There you go. Oh, we lost a foot. Oh, you got them on backwards. Hold on. Pull this foot out. Hold on. Okay, ready? There we go. All right, I gotta set this down. Hold on, sweetie. Hold on. Ready? There you go. Got them in? Okay. We're back on track. Bye-bye, little Miss Pris. Bye-bye. Where are you going?